and speakers will have 3 minutes.
Okay, wonderful, thank you.
Our first speaker is Bob Kowell, to be followed by Derek Kinnison.
Hello. I have a friend who is Slim Killens. He usually goes out in front of all these schools and whatever. You can yell at me if you want. He's out there and he has a mission. His mission is his mission. It's against critical race theory, and it's for one marriage between a man and a woman. That's what his goal is, to show the students that there is hope for the future for them. And he had somebody throw...
Bob, just 1 second.
Madam Chair, please stop the speaker's time. Madam Chair, if you'll recall, in city council meetings, we also have the same protocol. If there is a disruption in the meeting, we will give one warning, and then we will remove ask all members of the audience to please do not speak out during another member's, while others are speaking.
Thank you.
So the picture you see on here is a young girl or student threw old motor oil on him in a sign. And that's, we were talking about race and equity, diversity, and inclusion. That's not very inclusive to do that. So I just wanted to remind people to be respectful of him when you're out there. Don't hurt people. He doesn't hurt anybody. He just stands and talks. And we have freedom of the press, freedom of religion, freedom of life, freedom to do what we want to do without hurting anybody else. And that's what happened to him. Thank you.
Next speaker is Derek Kinnison, to be followed by the last speaker, Julie Majarczyk.
Good evening, board. I just want to bring to your guys' attention there's a group within Temecula. It's a anti-government, racist, bigoted, sexist, misogynistic group. They seek to divide people by race, sexual preference, gender, and they claim a white privilege, which is also a form of white supremacy, which I denounce. They use these tactics to control people, divide and control. They want to put people in boxes and create perpetual victimhood, judging people by the color of their skin, not the content of their character. These neo-Marxists deny our Declaration of Independence and our Constitution, and they deny our Judeo-Christian foundations by spewing Marxist lies about the Founding Fathers being deists. 29 of the 56 signers of the Declaration of Independence loved their faith so much that they furthered it and graduated seminary school. That's 29 of the 56. This group is called Temecula Unity, and they do attack my friend. I'm friends with Slim, and I've witnessed them silencing his voice by shouting at him, blaring sirens at him, and they trample his constitutional protections and they trample his civil rights by silencing him. And that picture broke my heart. I was not going to come here. I don't normally attend these meetings, but that picture broke my heart. It doesn't matter what your beliefs are. Everybody has a right. Everybody has a voice. And that's just, I grew up out here in Temecula back when it was Rancho, California. I've got a long history in this city, and I just hate to see racist attacks like that. This group, Temecula Unity, they will take pictures of Slim's signs because they don't agree with the messages on the signs, but to hide their racism, they actually crop him out of there, not showing the amount of pigments that God gave him in his skin color. None of us chose our skin color. None of us chose where we were born. And yeah, as for the REDI Commission, this book right here, if you guys seek this book, this will deal with racism, poverty, socialism, every issue that goes on in society. This book has answers to. That's what it's here for. Hope something you guys consider. All right, God bless you. Thank you.